Net call. Napalm strike inbound. Hostile RCXD incoming.
UAV fuel check, 50%.
Hostile scout pulse nearby.
UAV standing by.
Mission timeline over. UAV exiting the area.
Domination. The corporation needs your best today. It is that simple. Securing Zone A. Securing B. Zone A secure. The advantage is ours. Hold it. B locked down. Hostile skewer inbound. Nope.
UAV request.
Securing C. Watchdog Hilo inbound on your grid. Net call. Napalm strike inbound.
You need a feed!
Losing Bravo. We're losing Alpha.
Gotcha, bitch!
Securing Charlie. We lost A. Losing B. Zone C secure. Losing Bravo. We lost B. Taking B. Locking down Bravo. Bravo capture underway. Securing Alpha.
You were number 1 on my
Securing B.
list. Starting capture.
We control B.
Enemy with Femtech.
Losing B. They are taking C.
What other? Authorizing secure.
Losing Bravo. Losing B. We're losing Charlie. All objectives locked down. Hold the enemy back. Bravo lost. Bravo capture underway. We've lost Charlie. Bravo secure.
Gotcha, bitch!
Losing Bravo. Skewer release detected. Losing B. lost B. Be aware, enemy watchdog helo incoming. Incoming napalm strike detected in your AO. Hostile skewer inbound.
Be available for tasking.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
UAV perimeter established. Execute. UAV mission time clock 50%.
Skewer release detected.
Mission timeline over. UAV exiting the area.
UAV standing by.
Black Ops took the lead. Taking B. Locking down Bravo. Bravo is ours. We have the lead. Maintain current posture.
UAV commencing surveillance overflight.
Losing Bravo. Locking down Charlie.
UAV mission timeline. Halfway check.
Losing B.
UAV available for tasking.
Losing A.
No fuel, no fuel. UAV RTB.
Hostile skewer inbound. Bravo lost. We lost all zones. Taking A.
You need to see.
Lost the lead. Securing C.
UAV in the turn. Reporting hostile contacts.
Net call. Napalm strike inbound. Hostile RCXD incoming.
UAV fuel check 50%.
Hostile scout pulse nearby.
UAV standing by.
Mission timeline over. UAV exiting the area.
We're underway.
UAV perimeter established. Aiming base.
B locked down.
UAV mission timeline. Halfway check. No fuel, no fuel. UAV RTB.
Release detected. Taking Alpha.
Deploy skewer in my AO.
Securing Zone A. We lost B.
UAV available for tasking.
Locking down Bravo. They are taking C. Taking A. Zone Alpha captured. We lost C. Securing B. Taking B.
UAV commencing surveillance over flight.
We control B.
Authorizing skewer flight.
We're losing Alpha.
UAV mission time complete. Success. Mission timeline over. UAV exiting the area.
Losing B. Hostile skewer inbound. Bravo lost. Watchdog Hilo inbound on your grid. Bravo zone secure. Losing Bravo. Losing A. Incoming napalm strike detected in your AO. We lost B. Securing Charlie. Zone Charlie, lockdown. Losing Alpha. Locking down Bravo. Losing A. Close the lead. Widen the gap. We're losing Charlie. We've lost Charlie. Bravo capture underway.
UAV standing by.
Bravo is ours. You are catching eyes over here. Keep up the effort.